The catering service at the Royal United Hospitals looks after our patients, staff and visitors. We produce in excess of 46,000 meals per month. We're very keen to ensure our catering provides a nutritional meal to help our patients get better quicker. The catering team at the Royal United Hospitals is very proud of our record on sustainability. The RATIONAL equipment we have purchased has enabled us to go further with a reduction in water of around 50% and also reduction in energy by converting our original steam equipment into more energy efficient electrical equipment. When looking at the investment, we thought we'd have a payback of 2 years. The payback has worked out to be just 15 months.
The Vario cooking centres, very versatile piece of kit. We can boil, fry, we make sauces, casseroles, pies, stews, cut cooking times dramatically. We were told initially that we could expect to get a 10% saving on meat. We've actually found we were making a 15% saving plus from day one. We use the RATIONAL oil cart, enabling us to get a much longer life from the cooking oil. Self-cooking centres can steam, we can use them as dry ovens, we can have a combination of the two. I really love the overnight roast. Coming to work the following morning, cooked to perfection.
We have multiple RATIONAL devices connected to Connected Cooking to create and share processes between multiple devices. As a hospital, we change our menus on a regular basis. Connected Cooking gives us the ability to change the processes available for chefs, so they only have to see those that are on the current menu. We use an assured safe catering process to ensure the meals we serve are safe, and the HACCP processes within Connected Cooking make that much easier, reduce the amount of paperwork while giving us far better data for our HACCP process. RATIONAL have made investing in their equipment very easy. They supported us through the installation and training the staff, and we were able to use the RATIONAL equipment on the day it was installed.
RATIONAL have enabled us as a team to provide an improved service more efficiently, more effectively, and the support is second to none.
So I've had numerous members of staff come to me and tell me how much better the food smells as they walk past the kitchen, and they're looking forward to eating their lunch now.